Hello everyone. Today we're going to experience Huawei's latest just-released MateBook Pro. As the first HarmonyOS computer, let's see how many surprises it can bring us in such a thin and light body. Our first impression upon getting hands-on with the MateBook Pro is light. It's really too light. Previously, a laptop weighing around 1.2 kilograms could be called a thin and light model, but the HarmonyOS computer directly controls the weight to just over 970 grams. Perhaps you don't have a clear concept. We casually took a tablet computer for comparison. This tablet, equipped with a keyboard protective case, weighs 1,090 grams. This is truly unbelievably light. The secret to the Huawei MateBook Pro's thin, light, yet strong body is its magnesium alloy material. When you touch the body, you'll feel a soft touch. This is because it uses the industry's pioneering magnesium alloy micro-arc oxidation process, giving the body a high-end texture. Opening the MateBook Pro, accompanied by this smooth, seamless wallpaper animation, the most eye-catching thing is naturally this OLED eye-protecting Yunxi soft light screen. A common pain point for laptop displays is screen glare. The MateBook Pro has a matte textured diffuse reflection treatment, which can reduce glare. Even when used in strong light environments, you can clearly see the screen content. When using the touchscreen, it can also reduce fingerprint residue. Additionally, this screen is equipped with 3.1K ultra clear resolution, 120 Hz high refresh rate, 600 nits full screen brightness, and a professional grade color accuracy certification with delta E less than 1. Simply put, it can achieve smooth, clear, color-accurate, true-to-life light and dark, and comfortable eye-protecting display effect. Now, besides the screen, another common pain point for laptops is the keyboard. The thinner and lighter the laptop, the more it encroaches on the keyboard's key travel space. The MateBook Pro, however, brings the 1.8mm long key travel experience, unique to gaming laptop, to the thin and light segment for the first time. The long key travel allows us to feel a more natural keystroke formation when typing, reducing finger fatigue, and its tactile feedback is also quite soft. In daily long-term office input, it can alleviate discomfort in the hand. On this keyboard, we can also see two rather special keys. One is the round HarmonyOS key in the bottom left corner. Just press it, and this startup menu will pop up from the bottom left corner. The appearance of this animation is also very smooth. You can also press the HarmonyOS key and the question mark key to call up the shortcut key navigation. Through these shortcut key combinations, office efficiency can be greatly improved. The other key is the exclusive Celia AI key on the HarmonyOS computer. After pressing it, Celia window will pop up from the bottom right corner. The entire process is still very smooth and agile. It's not hard to find that this Celia smart key also has an RGB light. It can display a breathing, flowing light effect during each interaction, making Celia more visually concrete. Alright, since we've mentioned Celia, next we'll talk about what new impressive features it has, as well as the overall user experience of HarmonyOS 5. When we long press the Celia key, we can directly wake up it to start voice input. It's worth mentioning that can deeply integrate the Pangu large model and DeepSeek. Based on the complexity of the question, it autonomously decides whether to perform quick thinking or deep thinking. Besides these more conventional questions, Celia this time uses the document assistant to significantly improve the work efficiency of office work. It supports executing document creation and processing with a single sentence. Just by moving your mouth, a high-quality, refined PPT can be created. In daily use, also uses the device expert this time to help you comprehensively manage your device, reducing system operation interference with your work. Now, adjusting screen brightness and system volume. These are all basic operations, no big deal. Celia Device Expert can personalize system settings more. For example, with just one sentence, HarmonyOS 5 can directly change the color and size of the mouse cursor. There's a detail I need to tell everyone, which is that Celia can complete multiple commands with a single sentence. For example, simultaneously recommending good movies and adjusting the system volume and brightness setting. Alright, after talking about the ubiquitous Celia AI assistant in the HarmonyOS computer, let's go back and experience the new features of HarmonyOS 5. First is the desktop layout. The status bar at the bottom, in addition to the HarmonyOS key and Celia sphere we just mentioned, also has fixed and temporarily running application icon areas. When the mouse pointer hovers over these application icons, the silky smooth zoom animation viewing effects are very pleasing to the eye. And the status bar at the top, you can freely adjust it in the desktop style setting. When displaying the top status bar, these high-frequency system functions can be quickly clicked to enter, achieving one-step access. If we choose not to display these options, they will be integrated into the control center in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, besides these feature points, HarmonyOS 5 brings me the most intuitive and obvious feeling, which is smoothness and stability. Whether it's continuously opening applications and the startup speed, or the meteor visual effect when minimizing window, or the scaling of full-screen applications in Windows, or even swiping up with 3 fingers to throw applications to the background, the animations are all very natural and smooth. What's even more exaggerated is that even if more than 10 applications are scaled simultaneously, it can run them in real time. and the animation effects are also at full capacity. Now, returning to the desktop here, when arranging desktop icons or cards, HarmonyOS 5 also has a cute bouncy rebound animation. If these cards collide with icons, there's also a realistic animation. Besides the smooth animations, the traditional strength of the HarmonyOS operating system, interconnection is also equally smooth. The HarmonyOS computer supports keyboard and mouse sharing. As long as you log into the same Huawei account, one set of keyboard and mouse can simultaneously control the computer, mobile phone, and tablet. We can see the cursor flowing very smoothly among these three devices. On the basis of keyboard and mouse sharing, HarmonyOS 5 has taken another step forward, creating cursor follows gaze. Simply put, the system can automatically detect the screen the user's face is pointing toward. When the prompt icon appears, press the control key on the computer, and the cursor, accompanied by a ripple light effect, will switch to the device the face is pointing towards. Now, in my opinion, this kind of interconnected experience is indeed very smart and seamless. Okay, lastly, let's briefly summarize this Huawei MateBook Pro. As Huawei's first HarmonyOS computer, it continues the exquisite design appearance of the previous generation. The overall body is even lighter, making it convenient to carry. The keyboard's key travel has also become longer. High-intensity, long-term office work is more comfortable. It not only pursues the ultimate experience at the hardware level, but also fully connects with other mobile devices at the software level, bringing a more seamless, interconnected experience. This is a new beginning for the HarmonyOS computer series. Well, that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.